So it's very cold out here today. We're here at Autocross, the Chattanooga region. I'm waiting for Nick to get here. Camden's already here, but he's actually not driving his Miata today. He's driving somebody else's Miata. It's another NB, I believe. He's got an NA, super clean NA. I'll show you guys that in a second. But I brought the S2000 today just because I wanted to test it out a little bit. I've actually never driven this car at Autocross, tracked it or anything like that, but I have driven it aggressively around mountain roads, etc. But it's got a fresh alignment and everything, and we should be good to go. Fingers crossed. Camden's over here bragging about how long it takes him to replace an axle in an NA Miata. Dude, I could literally like fix the whole entire car in 10 minutes. Oh, yeah. It's got like 3 parts. What? No, this thing is super clean. I love this thing. Nick's finally here. He took a little longer than expected because he stayed out too late last night, like a child. But here's this S2000. Oh, you famous racing driver?
Not
Are you famous. Not famous racing driver? Look at this thing. It's super clean. Don't look at his butt.
Are your balls still intact or?
They've been frozen off. So this thing pulls up at Autocross. Look at that. Probably the coolest thing I've seen today. So Jack actually came with this ND2 Miata today, and it looks phenomenal.
It's so red. Looks good.
It's a little dirty, like my car.
It's freaking filthy. I haven't washed it since I bought it.
You got some RPF ones on there. So we're out here doing media for Autocross, and this is the first run group of Heat 1 of today. And we got...
Are we going to kiss GoPros?
And that's a Veloster N that's running right now. I've actually grown to really, really love those cars. They're amazing driving cars. And that color is amazing too. We see a bunch of Miatas out here. They seem to be the car of choice. They're pretty affordable, cheap to fix, cheap to maintain, and cheap to put wheels and tires, parts, upgrades, etc. on. Make the corner.
3-point turn.
Still live. Did he kill it? So I think he broke the transmission, or something happened. He can't get into first. So we don't know what happened yet, but he cannot get into first gear. So I'm assuming the transmission took a dump, but we'll find out later. So Jack Fortune's out there having lots and lots of fun. Oh, nope. Nice! Nice save. That was a good save. So the Mustang is back. All the body roll. It's gonna be... So we're getting started right now with the Run Group 2 in Heat 1. I've got the S2000 out here just warming up. There's Nick. And there's Josh. Josh is actually driving today too. We kind of convinced him to drive. So we're out here with Nick, the non-famous racing driver.
Yeah.
His S2000. I'll show you guys Josh and his S2000 as well. Look at this thing. It's just freshly wrapped. It looks so good. I really like it in person too.
Appreciate it, bro.
Well, let's go have fun and don't die. Talk to you guys a little bit. First time autocrossing in the Liqui Moly S2000. I'm super excited, kind of nervous. I've never actually driven this car like this. So everything I've done up to this point is, I guess, moment of truth. Yeah, I'm excited, super excited. So the first run was not bad. I did a 32. Average times were around 35, 36. So I'm doing great in this car. There's a few people that ran faster than me, but average times was a little higher than what I ran. So hopefully the next 3 runs are going to be really good. I don't know what Nick did because he actually ran over there, but yeah. Cool. So my second run was a 31, which is very competitive out here right now, apparently. But yeah, I'm super excited to see what that looks like, running it back through the cameras, etc. But I'm super excited. We get 4 runs this first heat, and then we get 4 more runs in the second heat. So I should be able to shave off some time. I'm beating Nick. I'm beating Nick's time right now. Don't tell him. Don't tell him. Oh my God.
Wait, well, I mean my time.
Your time.
My time.
So on my third run, I braked a little too hard in the very hard right sweeper at the very end, and I took out, I don't know how many cones, but we'll count again once I see the video. But that was super fun. I thought that was going to be a super fast lap, which I think it would have been if I didn't kill those cones. But I mean, you live and you learn, and we're going there on our 4th run, and we should be doing a little bit better. So I actually had a 31.34 as my fastest time that I know of. There was one lap I went out there. It felt really fast, but I didn't know my time because they didn't say my time. So hopefully that's even faster than a 31.34 without hitting any cones. But now we're doing more media. Nick's on his way because he's slow. So we're out here again, but this is the second run group in second heat. Nick and I have already done all of our runs for the day, so we're just out here getting some media. And these are completely different cars that are out here now. left on that one, by the way. Are you famous?
Can't you see the line? No.
I definitely can't see that line. It's not bright enough. So this slave cylinder actually went out.
And it must be going in. Okay, well then let's just keep going. What I'm gonna do.
Now see this thing pull up. This thing's freaking sick, dude. Well, that's it for the actual driving part of autocross today, and we're about to go find out the times and who won, first, second, third in every class, etc. I don't think I placed, but I gave it a pretty good run. This car, it's kind of like a shakedown of the S2000, and we are ecstatic about how this car is driving. All right, so we're back home in the S2000. Nothing broke today. The car did phenomenal. Couldn't have asked for a better driving experience today. Had so much fun with all the homies, etc. The car didn't break, but thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you guys enjoyed the little bit of fun I had with S2000. I hope you guys had fun with me. I'm going to be doing more autocrosses, track days, etc. in the S2000, and I hope you guys follow along in this little journey that I'm building with Liqui Moly. I'll talk to you guys later. Peace.